Regain your independence and travel with confidence using the JustHero lightweight electric wheelchair. Whether you're running daily errands, visiting family, shopping, or planning your next vacation, this powerful yet portable wheelchair is designed to make every journey easier. With its lightweight folding frame, long-lasting lithium battery, intelligent safety features, and comfortable design, the JustHero offers the perfect balance of convenience, reliability, and performance. If you're looking for an electric wheelchair that delivers comfort without sacrificing mobility, the JustHero is an excellent choice for seniors, caregivers, and anyone seeking greater freedom and peace of mind. The JustHero electric wheelchair is powered by dual 500W high-performance brushless motors that deliver smooth, reliable performance with minimal maintenance. Designed to climb inclines of up to 12 degrees, it offers dependable power for everyday travel. Durable honeycomb-style puncture-proof solid tires eliminate the worry of flat tires, while the compact turning radius makes navigating tight hallways, doorways, and crowded spaces effortless. Built with safety in mind, the wheelchair features an intelligent automatic braking system that activates as soon as you release the joystick. This helps prevent the chair from rolling backward on hills or ramps, providing added confidence and stability on inclines. Weighing only 36 pounds, without the battery, this electric wheelchair is easy to lift, transport, and store. Its one-touch folding mechanism allows it to collapse in seconds, making it ideal for travel by car, cruise ship, train, or airplane. Despite its lightweight design, the sturdy frame safely supports users weighing up to 350 pounds. The removable 12Ah lithium battery weighs just 4.8 pounds, making it simple to remove and recharge. Compared to traditional lead-acid batteries, it offers a lighter, safer, and more efficient power source. A full charge takes approximately 3 to 4 hours and provides a driving range of up to 15 miles, making it suitable for daily errands and outings. The responsive 360-degree joystick controller provides smooth, precise steering and includes 5 adjustable speed settings so you can match your speed to your surroundings. Convenient function buttons and a built-in LED headlight improve visibility in low light conditions. Dual USB charging ports also allow you to charge a smartphone or other mobile device while on the move. Designed for convenience, the controller can be mounted on either the left or right armrest to accommodate personal preference. Flip-up armrests make transferring in and out of the chair easier and allow users to sit closer to tables or desks. Additional safety features include a manual handbrake, adjustable seat belt, and anti-tip wheels, providing greater stability and peace of mind during every ride. Don't let limited mobility keep you from enjoying life. The JustHero lightweight electric wheelchair is built to help you stay active, independent, and confident wherever you go. Click the link in the description, read customer reviews, and see if this feature-packed wheelchair is the right fit for your needs. Investing in the right mobility solution today can make every trip tomorrow safer, easier, and more enjoyable. Thanks for listening.